got quite a lot of mad sort of drum patches on my OP1. But I want to get them into Logic, so all I do is I just hit record on Logic Pro, and I'm just going to play every sound. And I've recorded all those sounds, and then all I've got to do is drag it from here into a new track, quick sampler optimized, and that loads up this, which is all sliced based on the transients, because it finds the transients and then basically creates a slice. And then in my MIDI keyboard, it's all the same sounds. And then I'll just go File, Save As, and then I'm just going to give it the name Weird Normal, which is the same name as the patch on the OP1. I've done this a few times. I've got one here called Synthwave Snares. And if you want, you can also drag them into a new channel and select Drum Machine Designer, and then you get all of the different slices. I've just done it with a different kit. You can go into each individual slice. You basically got all these settings for each individual sound. I think you might get a bit more flexibility in the Drum Machine Designer. You can drag your own samples into there as well, so you can kind of mix it up a little bit more than just a straight sampler. But anyway, either way, it's just very quick. You just drag it into the thing, onto a new space, and then you've got Drum Machine Designer here. The same thing, it just chops it up into slices. Go!